Now, how
This
do
is
you do
spot on.
the bottom of it, Tom?
The bottom was done with a pyrography. Let's see, I've got it right here.
That looks like the Molly Winton basket weave thing.
Correct.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
And it's just a piece of coiled nichrome wire. You coil it
Okay.
around a drill blank, a drill bit,
Mm-hmm.
and 5 revolutions around, and you're good to go.
A nail
Wow.
works good too.
The
Okay.
trick that Molly Winton gave was to use one of these hex shank drill bits. And you can
Okay.
take a little vice grip and clamp the wire to the hexagonal part, then wrap it around the shank and release it, cut it off, and bend it to final shape.
Wow. Great.
Great tip.
And then
Great.
the pyrography machine, I have a commercial bought one, but Graham Priddle has a video out on how to convert a battery charger for a car into what he calls the vaporizer. And I mean to tell you, it's a serious, it's like a light bulb. If you turn that thing up too high, the nichrome wire just melts and falls to pieces. So you really have to watch it. But when you touch it to the wood, you don't have to sit there and wait. There's instant flame as soon as you touch, and you move to the next spot.
It's
I
beautiful,
like
Tom.
it.
Thank you. Sure appreciate that.
Dave Rhodes, that is a perfect item to clip out for a tip for a web page.
I do have some pictures I took today. I can just email them in.
Oh, that'd be
Yes.
great.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it.